All right, this is just my crescents that I froze for just about 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab a sheet pan, and we are going to grab our little crescents and kind of just like flatten them oh so lightly, just like so. Quickly put them right on our sheet pan. We are making a super easy and delicious dessert. I like to cut up these crescents just like so because then they look kind of like danishes, which is such a fun little effect that you can't get from any other little pastry. Okay, put a few in the middle as well, just like so. Okay, beautiful. Now these are gonna expand a little bit, but before we pop them in the oven, we're gonna grab our no-bake cheesecake. This stuff is so good. And I have a little scooper here, and we're just gonna add a small little dollop of cheesecake on each of our little crescent rings, just like so. Now you could obviously make your own cheesecake filling and your own crescent dough. Everything I make can be made homemade, but I wanted this to be a super easy dessert, breakfast, whatever you want to eat it for. Now I'm gonna come in with my cherry pie filling, and I'm gonna grab my scooper that I cleaned, and we're gonna grab like 2 cherries and put it right on top of that cheesecake filling, alternating each one. Yummy, look how delicious that looks. Cheesecake and cherry, count me in. Oh my goodness, this looks so decadent. You can use whatever pie filling you like. The options are endless. Yummy, okay. And like I said, the options are endless, which is why I'm gonna do blackberry on our other ones. Oh my goodness. Blackberry and cherry. Let me know which one you guys would make. Now remember, these are gonna expand, so it's okay if it looks like they're a little top heavy. Half a tablespoon of cheesecake and half a tablespoon of that pie filling. Delicious. All right, these are ready. My oven is set to 350 and they're gonna cook for 12 minutes. While that's in the oven, I'm gonna grab a small bowl and a whisk. I have here some powdered sugar. Go ahead and put a generous amount in there. About a cup should do. Perfect. Now I'm gonna add my whole milk. You can use whatever milk you like, and we're just gonna add a splash, the smallest amount, and we are going to quickly whisk that together to make a super simple and delicious icing for those little pastries we popped in the oven. It's just gonna add the most beautiful touch to those desserts, and it's gonna taste amazing, look amazing. Obviously, this is optional. You could just leave it with the cheesecake and the pie filling, but I'm extra, so I wanted a little extra drizzle on there. Oh my gosh. See how quickly that came together? Just 2 ingredients, and you get the most perfect icing. Okay, let's check on those pastries. Okay, guys, they didn't come out as perfect as I hoped, but that's why we have the icing to make it nice and beautiful. Let's go ahead and grab that and just whisk it right over. See, look, a little icing fix everything, just like frosting fix cakes. These pastries are gonna be delicious and beautiful thanks to our homemade icing. Oh, look how cute they are now. Told you, you needed the icing. Okay, almost done, and then we get to try one. Delicious. Of course, I'm gonna go for this super cute one in the front. They just pop right off, and then look at that bottom. So gorgeous and delicious. Okay, have a little plate. Smells so good. That is so good, you guys.